Imagine walking into a room full of strangers. Some people seem to glide through conversations, making friends effortlessly, while others linger at the edges, unsure of how to join in. What if there were a guide, a toolkit, to become that confident, magnetic person who connects with anyone, anywhere? Lyle Lowndes' How to Talk to Anyone is exactly that, a practical roadmap packed with 92 proven techniques to master the art of conversation and unlock personal and professional success. It's not about changing who you are, it's about learning small, powerful habits that can transform everyday interactions into meaningful connections. The art of first impressions, making moments count. First impressions are like snapshots, they stick. According to Lowndes, success in relationships often starts before a single word is spoken. Key takeaways: smile slowly. Instead of flashing an instant grin, pause and let your smile build. It feels warmer, more personal. Own the room with eye contact. Holding eye contact for just a moment longer shows confidence and interest. Turn fully to others. Make people feel like they're the most important person in the room by giving them your full attention. Life hack: the next time you meet someone, try these techniques. You'll notice how quickly the energy shifts when you show you're genuinely interested. Beyond small talk, building meaningful conversations. Small talk often feels awkward, but it doesn't have to be. Lowndes redefines it as a bridge to deeper conversations. The secret: making others feel heard and valued. Strategies to try: the power of repetition. Simply repeating key words people use encourages them to share more. Dig for passion topics. Ask questions that let others talk about what lights them up. Meaningful thank yous. Don't just say, "Thank you," add a reason. For example, "Thank you for your advice. It really helped me see things differently." Everyday application. Whether you are talking to a colleague or chatting with a new friend, let curiosity drive your conversations. People remember how you made them feel. Speaking the language of trust and influence. What do the most influential people have in common? They make others feel part of something bigger. Lowndes teaches readers to build trust through subtle linguistic cues and emotional intelligence. Influence in action. Use "we" early. Switching from "I" and "you" to "we" builds camaraderie faster. Echo emotions, not just words. Acknowledge feelings when people share experiences. A simple "that must have been exciting" deepens rapport. Professional tip: in team meetings or collaborations, these small shifts in language can turn colleagues into allies. Charisma isn't born, it's built. Charisma isn't a mystery, it's a skill. Lowndes shows that with intentional actions, anyone can be captivating. How to radiate charisma: talk less about yourself. The less you use "I" and "me," the more magnetic you become. Tailor compliments thoughtfully. Compliment people on what they value most about themselves. It resonates deeply. Master the pause. Pausing before you speak shows thoughtfulness and builds anticipation. Daily practice. Watch charismatic speakers. Notice their timing, gestures, and words. Then, try mirroring these techniques in your own conversations. Quotes that leave a mark. The most powerful way to win people over is to let them feel that they're important. Small talk is not about facts, it's about feelings. You can make more friends in 2 months by becoming interested in other people than you can in 2 years by trying to get them interested in you. These words aren't just advice, they're reminders that connection is an art, and we're all capable of mastering it. Bringing it all together. Practical steps for everyday success. 1. At work, start meetings with genuine small talk. Use names often. Offer compliments that show you notice people's strengths. 2. In social settings, approach conversations with curiosity. Let others take the spotlight. 3. For personal growth, practice reading body language and mirroring it subtly. The more you understand others, the stronger your connections become. Final thought: the secret to success is connection. How to Talk to Anyone teaches us that success is rarely a solo journey. It's built on relationships, on the bonds we form and the trust we earn. Each interaction holds the potential to open doors, spark ideas, and build networks that carry us forward. In the end, Lowndes' message is clear. Master the art of conversation, and you'll master the art of success. Does this storytelling approach capture what you were looking for? If you found these insights valuable and want more deep dives into success strategies, mindset shifts, and game-changing lessons from the world's greatest visionaries, make sure to like this post and subscribe.